Hello, my name is Katja Krug, and together with my colleagues at the Interactive Media Lab Dresden, Ricardo, Langner and Konstantin, Klamka, I've prepared a workshop on facets of hybrid user interfaces in the medical domain. The employment of novel user interfaces in the medical context stagnates due to many reasons. Some of those are the long-winded bureaucratic processes needed to approve novel medical devices, adaptation of current medical training and education, or hesitation by experts to overturn one's training in favor of new approaches. Therefore, we believe that a transitional phase between conventional methods and future UIs is needed when we're designing for the medical domain. A phase in which we prioritize enhancement over replacement, and we can utilize existing setups to smoothly integrate novel techniques. The requirements for the medical domain are unique, so the design of hybrid UIs for this domain must involve the consideration of aspects beyond in- and output channels, such as contextual factors that might impact design rationales. So in this workshop, we want to take a closer look at further facets that can inform the design of hybrid UIs in the medical domain. To do this, we first introduced 3 selected research projects in which we have been involved, which showcase the range of possible tasks and application areas in the context of medicine. The first project is a project which incorporates in situ visualization overlays during minimally invasive surgery. This system acts as a navigation aid for surgeons by overlaying 3D visualizations of important structures, such as vessels and tumors, over the video output of the endoscopic camera. The second project is concerned with mid-air point cloud alignment on a stereoscopic display, which allows for stereo registration of volumetric anatomical data. And the third project revolves around a transparent interaction panel for augmented reality, which, among other things, facilitates the immersive exploration of volumetric anatomical data. We use these 3 projects as a basis to discuss 6 facets that we have identified which inform the design of hybrid user interfaces in the medical domain. The physical location, where we have noticed a big difference between applications in and outside the operating room. Visualization placement, where we illustrate that different settings call for either in situ, spatially related, or spatially decoupled visualizations. Display capabilities, where immersive displays theoretically have great potential but are rarely feasible practically. Interaction style, where we identified assisted interaction as a third category besides direct and indirect interaction. The enhancement target, where we realize that it is highly dependent on the physical location if you want to enhance the human or the environment. And lastly, task concurrency, which we identified as an important factor to preserve familiar workflows and create acceptance for novel UIs. And this wraps up my lightning talk. I'm looking forward to some fruitful discussions. Thank you very much.